Let's learn ABC alphabet with animals. A is for alpaca. B is for bear. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for flamingo. G is for giraffe. H is for hippo. I is for iguana. J is for jaguar. K is for koala. L is for lion. M is for mouse. N is for newt. O is for owl. P is for panda. Q is for quail. R is for rhino. S is for snake. T is for turtle. U is for unicorn. V is for vulture. W is for whale. X is for X-ray fish. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra.